Started recording again.
Oh my God.
Maso, you having a good time?
Betty!
Cisco, are you having a good time?
I'm screaming so I can cry.
You're screaming like a girl.
Screaming like a girl. Dang. Oh, look at that wave rolling in. That's a nice sized wave.
It's going like going a mountainside.
Two. I think I should go to the high side. If I go to the low side, it's never going to work. It's like the ocean. Look at these swells. Who do you want to talk to, Maso?
Betty!
Ready for the ocean. Maybe we want to put up one more sail? Ask Maso. No, ask Maso if he wants to put up one more sail. Ask Maso. I'm not serious. Ask Maso if he wants to put up one more sail. Yeah. Don't think so. Oh! I don't know. I started recording. I'll get enough out of this to satisfy. Batteries seem to like the short break. An old schooner. Yeah. Working hard. I can only think of the Navy, of the Air Force theme song. I can't think of the Navy one.
Anchors away.
Anchors away. And off to see the Wild West show. That one I remember too.